Hi, this is Jennifer from This Is Our Region. I welcome you today and hope you'll join me as I explore the Indiana Dunes. The Indiana Dunes became a state park in 1926. Situated along the southern shore of Lake Michigan, the dunes run 15 miles along the Indiana shoreline. With a main entrance gate fee of $7 for residents and $9 for non-residents, you are sure to find something you'll enjoy. The Nature Center, where the following video starts off, offers monthly programs where you can learn about various things related to the dunes, as well as experience hands-on activities. There are a myriad of fun activities offering something for all ages. I can personally attest to a few events, such as the J.D. Marshall Shipwreck, where the naturalist will explain what happened to the ship. Although the ship is at rest on the lake floor, I was able to see and touch artifacts that have been brought up from the ship. It was fascinating to listen to the story of the ship and what happened on that fateful day, and to also learn that there are currently 1,500 boats and ships at the bottom of the lake. It's difficult to fathom. On a happier note, I participated in a beach glass workshop where I was taught how to make various pieces of art from the glass that Lake Michigan brings to the shore. Whether you are into hiking, swimming, or bird watching, or you simply like to relax and just take in the beautiful surroundings of the Indiana Dunes, there is something for everyone. I put this video together to highlight and share my experience during my most recent visit. I hope you will stick around to watch and enjoy what you see. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to see more of my adventures through my home, Northwest Indiana. This is our region. Thank you.